Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Siri on a Mac. So let's get started. To access Siri, you can either click on the Siri icon in the menu bar or use the keyboard shortcut Command plus space. Hold the Command key. Siri can provide information on various topics such as weather and sports scores and allows you to interact with your Mac hands-free through voice commands. Like for example, Siri, news about basketball. You can use Siri to launch apps, open files, navigate to folders in Finder, search the web, and even search your photos collections. Its true power lies in seamlessly integrating with productivity apps like calendar and reminders, enabling you to schedule events and create reminders with ease. To activate Siri and tailor its settings to your preferences, head to System Preferences or System Settings. Siri, where you can customize various aspects such as language, voice feedback, and keyboard shortcuts. Furthermore, Siri offers the Type to Siri option in accessibility settings, allowing you to utilize Siri without voice input through typing, ensuring a smooth experience regardless of your preferences. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.